Uba Frantin Joseph Lakadong, MDC na ka Seng Congress na Laitumkhrah constituency, menta ka sngi ula pentikna, bon ino ka Seng Congress, batman Pyniasoh no iladi ba ka Seng National People Party. Laban kadaw hangni Uba Frantin Joseph Lakadong, uday MDC na ka Seng Congress, bon uday ru ulok jong kanong yalam ka Congress Legislative Party ka kuang amparin lingdo. Habayo banyakran berubah Frantin ulayathu bakarai bolashim ban Pyniasoh berka parti NPP bat ban ino ka Seng Congress kadehi kat kum kajing menjurlang na kaliang kinong kersan ki jong u. Shushu ulo ongru bakane karai ban ino ka Seng Congress kamdei ban keno bakandei nakadaw u presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala henrei kadehi na kajing tulot na ka parti habaro ka wei kari. Ula ongru kane ka jingtulat jong ka Seng Congress kamdei tang ha ka jilla henrei wat ha ka central ru ka Congress hi kan omla shu ban le EA bat nakabenta ka election R1000 fulai ru ka parti Congress hi kan omla shu ban wan ha ka bor.
Part of the reason which I felt, but personally for you also, whether this is that problem in the leadership of Pala that has made this kind of crisis in the Congress.
Regarding that, I will not say that it's because of Pala. It's a confusion in the party itself. I mean, looking in the center also, it seems that they're not doing anything. Nothing is happening, and I see no scope till today. I mean, for the next election 2023 also, I find that Congress will not get the numbers to form a government. So I think the people have to, my people have to think about the development, the constituency, which I'll get more benefits when I'm in the government.
Bafantin, can you tell us the reasons which compelled you to leave the Congress and join the NPP?
The reason that I've decided to join NPP and leave the Congress is because of the party workers who have made me win, have made me an MDC. They are the one who decide on my behalf. So I think I should go along with them since they have convinced me that Congress will reach nowhere now. So I think I'll have to go with them because it's not that one or two workers of mine, one or two leaders of mine who decide on this. It's the decision that which is unanimously decided by them.